Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp conversations on PC. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to delete sent chat messages on WhatsApp using your computer. This feature is incredibly useful for correcting mistakes or removing unwanted messages from your chats. First, ensure you have the WhatsApp app installed on your PC. If not, you can easily access WhatsApp Web by scanning the QR code from your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats listed on the left side of the screen. To delete a sent message, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete is located. This could be a personal chat or a group conversation. Once you've found the chat, click on it to open the conversation window. Now, locate the specific message you want to delete. This might be a message you sent by mistake, or one that you no longer want to be part of the conversation. To delete it, right-click on the message. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete. You will then be prompted with two choices: Delete for me or Delete for everyone. For this tutorial, we're focusing on deleting the message just for yourself, so choose Delete for me. This action will remove the message from your view, but keep in mind that it will still be visible to the recipient unless they also delete it. Deleting messages for yourself is a great way to declutter your chat and remove any mistakes or unwanted content. Remember, once you delete a message, it's gone from your end, but it won't affect what others see unless you choose Delete for everyone, which has a time limit and requires both you and the recipients to be using the latest version of WhatsApp. By following these steps, you can easily manage your WhatsApp conversations on your PC and keep your chats organized and tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.